How to make people respect you if you're quiet. Have you ever been in a situation where you feel intimidated? Maybe you were in a crowded room or having a heated conversation with someone. In moments like these, it's important to exude confidence and command respect. But how do you do that? It's all about body language and tone. One way to instantly show that you are above feeling intimidated is by using slow, relaxed movements. When you move slowly and comfortably in a situation where most people would be stressed, it shows that you don't feel scared or pressured. People will pick up on this and perceive you as confident and in control. Another key to commanding respect is holding eye contact. However, it's important to use this tactic strategically. In conflict situations, holding eye contact too long can escalate the tension. The goal is to know what your behavior signals to other people. If you want to show that you aren't intimidated, hold eye contact. If your priority is to de-escalate, look down. And if you want to diffuse the situation without projecting fear or discomfort, hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds and then break to the side instead of down. Being non-reactive to hostility is another way to command respect. It shows that you feel confident in your ability to handle whatever is happening. While it's important to cultivate a genuine, deep internal confidence, it's also important to practice being as big as your audience in large groups. Use intentional hand gestures and move your body in a big way to capture their attention. Pay attention to your tone and word choice. When talking about your plans for the future, use words like "I will" instead of "I hope to" or "I want to." Additionally, avoid ending statements in upward inflection, which can make statements sound like questions. End your statements in a downward inflection to show conviction and assertiveness. By using these body language and tone tips, you can exude confidence and command respect in any situation. Imagine you're trying to get a raise or a promotion at work. You could take the traditional approach of simply asking for it, but that might not be very effective. Instead, you can use a technique called carrot stick motivation to wield tremendous power over people with just your words. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "Hey boss, I've been working here for a long time. I would really like a raise. Can I have more money?" Which is very focused on I and not very persuasive. You could try a different approach. Say something like, "Hey boss, I feel like I can add more value to the company and play at a higher level. What would you need to see from me in the next 3 months to promote me?" Work with your boss to create a concrete list of things you need to do to get that promotion or raise. Then, go out and nail everything on that list. At the same time, get other job offers. In 3 months, you can show all the value you've created for your boss, the carrot, and if they back out from the agreement, you can tell them that you want to stay, but you have other offers that pay more. Stick. Now, this plan may seem daunting and require a lot of confidence to execute. But building confidence is actually easier than you might think. With the right game plan, you can become significantly more confident in just a few weeks. But gaining respect isn't just about using carrot stick motivation. It's also about how you present yourself. Similar to having slow, relaxed body language, using a slow speaking cadence with pauses between words can help hold attention. The pause is the moment when you're not speaking, but ironically, it's the moment you can pull people in. Speaking slowly and pausing may make you worry that people will cut you off, but the key is to continue speaking in the same slow speaking cadence until you finish your sentence. This will prevent others from interrupting you and help you maintain control of the conversation. So which of these qualities will you display to gain respect? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this advice helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content.